If you're running a restaurant, beauty salon, or whatever, you've probably had this happen. You want to promote a service, maybe a facial or a package deal, so you write something up, but then you're stuck. Who do I send this to? When's the best time? Will it even work? And so you end up doing nothing. Meanwhile, some of your clients who actually liked your service haven't heard from you in months. And guess what? They've gone to someone else. Not because they didn't like you, but because you weren't top of mind. The real issue isn't your offer, it's how you send it. See, sending the same message to everyone doesn't work anymore. Too many messages, people unsubscribe. No messages at all, they forget you. The key is sending the right offer to the right client at the right time. Here's what actually works, and it's easier than you think. Imagine if you could say, I want to send a quick reminder to all my regulars who haven't been in for 60 days, and boom, it's done for you. You didn't need to guess who to send it to. You didn't have to sit for hours writing messages or figuring out the perfect timing. You just picked the goal. More bookings, more sales, more returning clients, and the system handled the rest. Movylo helps you do exactly that. With Movylo, you can send personalized offers through WhatsApp, SMS, or email. The system helps you choose who to target, like your VIP clients, new clients, or even people with birthdays coming up. It even tells you who opened the message, who clicked, who booked, so you know exactly what's working. And you're never doing it alone. Movylo isn't just software. It's a done-with-you service that helps you grow. So if you're tired of sending random messages or not sending anything at all, and you want a smarter, easier way to bring clients back more often, check out Movylo. Your clients will thank you, and your calendar is going to look a lot fuller.